I heard a story that was playing on the TV recently, and it was another one of those heartwarming stories about a mom to be who couldn't make it to the hospital in time. Labor was much shorter than expected, and so she delivered at home. You see the same stories about women who are delivering on the side of the road. And again, there's always this warm, heartwarming story about the state trooper who delivered the baby, or the firefighter who delivered the baby, or in the case of the story I heard this morning, the 2-year-old toddler who comforted his mom while she gave birth on the bathroom floor. These are not heartwarming stories. These are stories of disaster narrowly averted. When people have to drive much longer than they used to because our small rural hospitals are closing. If you are nowhere near Eau Claire or Rice Lake or Duluth, if you are anywhere else in that upper northwest quadrant of Wisconsin, you have got a long ride to get to a regular labor and delivery area where people are trained and the equipment is there to make sure that you can deliver safely. And so when we head into this government shutdown, just think about how many more rural hospitals, if they don't close, are at least going to give up doing labor and delivery and OB care. And they're going to stop being heartwarming stories. And I don't mean to be alarmist. I'm being realistic here. We're going to hear about some bad outcomes on the road. And at that point, we're going to say, how did we get to this point? We got to this point because some people in office wanted to pay for $4 trillion to push up the debt, to pay for tax cuts for the very wealthy, rather than take care of basic health care for their own constituents. So remember these stories and the stories of real people you're going to hear over the coming days who serve our country, but are not going to get paid, because you've got some politicians in the White House and running Congress that would rather have people suffer first so that they can take care of their buddies through just a few more tax cuts. We can't afford any more tax cuts for billionaires in this country.